You have already learned how to draw a square and how to turn it into a cube. But a 2D shape, like this rectangle, can be turned into another frequently used 3D object, the cylinder. From side view, the cylinder looks like this. It's a rectangle. I draw some lines marking the volume of the cylinder. These are called cross-contour lines. You can use cross-contour lines in your sketches to make it more readable to the viewer. Now let's change the viewing angle slightly. Imagine that the camera or the viewer moves upward slowly, getting above the cylinder. I need to draw thin ellipses at the top and the bottom and connect them. Note that as I move the camera further upwards, the ellipse will be getting wider. You can also notice that the height of the cylinder is getting shorter, at least on the drawing. This is how rotated objects behave in perspective. Distances are getting compressed. In top view, we just see a circle, the top of the cylinder. If you notice, I use the two-point perspective in this example, because verticals or the contours on the sides have remained parallel to each other. A more realistic illustration would be to draw the cylinder in three-point perspective where verticals converge towards a vanishing point like this. As a consequence, the lower ellipse is getting smaller. Now let's draw some cylinders in different positions. You can draw them in two-point perspective where vertical lines are parallel to each other, or in 3-point perspective where they converge slightly. This cylinder, drawn in 3-point perspective, drives us to another important drawing principle called foreshortening. Let me explain it in the next lesson.